In this video, I want to share with you 10 misconceptions that a lot of people have when it comes to the Forex market. Number one, a lot of people say and they strongly believe that the market is a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't come to the Forex market with the understanding or with the approach to get Forex done immediately. You need time to succeed. To become a doctor, it takes you 7 years. To become an engineer, it takes you 5 years. Don't come to Forex trading to get it done in 1 month. The second one I'm going to be sharing with you right now is that the Forex market is rigged. The market is not rigged. The institutions, they have levels and they have zones, they have numbers where they are interested in, and that is where the market will definitely move from or reverse from. That is the zone you need to identify, and you put your money in there and you can make the kind of money that you want. For more videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode.